before you're doing. It's very important. If your image size isn't okay, you cannot get what you need. All right, here we change the color of the background. By now you should be convinced that we're using these materials. Okay, and what are we going to be we're designing an invoice. Remember that, an invoice. Okay, so I made this invoice for my customer. I actually made the logo. She said she needed a very minimalist logo, so I have to do something like that for her, and she later came back for an invoice. Okay, so I'm just showing you how I did the invoice in just a second. Okay, here the color, it's black. Normally it's black. Okay, I changed font. I actually used my font. This font, I imported it. Okay, so I used this font here. All right, very importantly, I just import what I import the logo of her logo. Yeah, I imported. I have a logo of her. I think in download where I've already removed the background. Okay, Pleroma Foods. Okay, here, and that's the logo. Okay, so I import it in, and I reduce the size. I bring it to the path that I need. It just stay and increase a little bit so it can just be there. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna build in this invoice. I didn't build in it earlier. Now reduce the size a little bit, and I think that's okay. All right, we have address, right? Address, copy, edit. So we're gonna write address, address, right? Yeah, address, the bold. I'm bolding the address here. I just have initial capital is the best. Okay, reduce the size, bring it down here, reduce the size. Okay, so I'm gonna say increase this invoice address. Okay, the address I have 54 Oju Daniel Kaleo Avenue, Borikiri, Port Harcourt. Okay, I'm making all of them in a caps lock now. Same color, black. Don't forget, we're designing on black now, right? Reduce the size, reduce size. Okay, for alignment, it's perfect now. You're building it. Good to go. All right, in this part here, we have I can copy this to use same font. We have pleromafoods@gmail.com. That's the email address, right? Okay, here. And then the phone number, I can still copy this and edit it to write phone numbers, right? 0813 40 555 95, and a comma for the next number, 070 371 49586. 49586. Okay, perfect. We got something like this now, right? Okay, edit. This is not Pleroma Foods International. @gmail.com. Okay, so we have something like this, Pleroma Foods International @gmail.com, and this one is here. Perfect, right? Exactly. That's perfect. Reduce the size of this. They're coming closer to match and it's not nice. Okay. And then so I have something like this. A rectangle. I get a rectangle. I can best fit this place. But the color is what's the color? I'm gonna be using ash color, right? Ash. Okay, so this is it. We have one of the face is gonna be brought out like this. When you use white in another color, it's already demarcating it, so there's no need. It's just the normal thing in designing. Okay, learn that and it will help you a lot. So I'm going to use same font as this number. I copy and edit. I have Pleroma parboiled beans. I have Pleroma parboiled beans. Okay, Pleroma parboiled beans. This is how it would appear. Good. And I'm increasing the size. Remember that I'm increasing the size. Pleroma parboiled beans. Okay, here I have this. I'm copying it again because I need it in some other place. Okay, I come here, I make an adjustment, I bring it to the center, and then I use position, increase my position so it could be faster. Okay, perfect. We have Pleroma Pap Me. So these are the produce that this person sells, right? Pleroma Pap Me. Okay. Pleroma mixed flour. That's the next one. Copy, edit. Pleroma mixed flour. Pleroma mixed flour. Okay, so this is what I have. I can decide to copy this, and bring it down here a little. So we're gonna be having same. Different color. Right, I could just decide to use green since green is part of what we're doing, right? Okay, so just be careful to check alignment here if they're aligning. Here, so they are aligning, right? Okay, since they're aligning, it's perfect. Okay. All right, what next? We're gonna write inside. Okay, copy from here. First thing we have Pleroma produce. Okay, Pleroma produce like this. And color, we're gonna be using white color. Pleroma produce, reduce text. Okay, we'll copy and write the next one. Edit quantity. Okay, so we are done with this phase. We're also going to be copying this, copy this and bring it down here for another session. So when people buy produce, this is where the record is, you understand? So we have something like this again, similar, but a different color now. Okay, the color we're going to be using is just a kind of fancy green. So we can decide to take this. Perfect. Okay, so I can take it up a little, and that's okay. Okay, so I bring up this again and reduce it. So good. Okay, very good. Same color. I'm going to be using same color as what I used earlier, this same color, and I bring it down here, and that's perfect. So okay, so we have total. I can copy address, so I can use same font to write my total. Very good. Okay, so this, bring it down here. That's the total price of everything when you're gonna be running this sales and all that. That's the total. Okay, that's where it should be. We have okay, copy, edit, and since we're editing it, we have customer's signature. We have customer's signature black. Copy, edit, and management signature. Okay. I guess we've learned something new and better today also. Don't forget to subscribe, please. It's a girl that is begging you to subscribe, okay? Thank you for that. And now we're gonna have something of this shape. You could just fancy the whole fancy the invoice, you understand, just fancy it, not like it's something already done. I'm just trying to make it look fanciful, okay? And I copy that. You can start to bring it here and copy and bring it there. So this is how we arrive at designing a very perfect and good and invoice. Please subscribe and also try to do yours. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to save as a project as well, so you can always refer back to this place and edit your work invoice. Okay.